It's a 2007 Murano, and we just had our first snowfall, and now the wipers are free. That's it. You need a flat screwdriver to pop the cap off. Sometimes you gotta go a little deep and then you just pop it off. It's gonna be two parts, so one's gonna come off first and the second's gonna come off after. So pause it. The washer fluid, you gotta take it off. And this part. Now you need a 14 millimeter socket to take the two nuts off. You gotta hold the wiper blades to take them off. So you gotta put this up, and then you gotta slowly pull this out, and this is how it should come out. That's it. Take this clip out. There's gonna be one on both sides. There's gonna be one on that side, one on this side, right here. So you take it off, it should pop out. Okay, wait. Gotta do the same thing on the other side. There's gonna be another clip. You just take that off. There's another clip right here that you gotta pry off. It's attached to the bottom, so it's pretty much free now almost. This one you have to slide on, and you have to do the same thing. You gotta take the washer fluid hose off. This is the linkage that's broken. You can see it's free. First take the plug out to disconnect the motor. Then you got three nuts, 1, 2, 3, and they're all 10 millimeter nuts. So after you get the 3 nuts off, all you gotta do is just take it out, and this is your thing. And this is the linkage that's broken. It should be attached right here, but it comes out because it broke. This is what the linkage works. This thing turns and it controls the whole part, like this. So now we're gonna take these two 10 bolts off, take this, and change this whole piece. These 2 bolts off, there's gonna be a little plate that comes off with it. Take the plate off, and then this just comes off, like that. So you put this in, and one of the bolts goes on this side, and then 2 go on this side. So you just pop your bolts in, and then you tighten them. They're 3 10 millimeter bolts. So you just tighten them up, and then you just pop your plug back in. That's it. Make sure you pull it and make sure it clicks. You gotta plug your washer fluid hose back in. So you just pop back in there. That's about it. Then you slowly put this back on. And it should kind of slide onto the windshield, like that. Like that. Then this clip goes inside right here. Just pop it back in and then push it in. That's about it. Same thing on the other side. You just plug your washer fluid hose back in. Just pop in like that. And then this part, same procedure. This one goes over top of the other one that you already put on. Just go like that. Just click on, and then so you turn your key on, then you turn your wipers all the way on to the top, then you turn them off, and make sure you turn your key off again. And that lets you adjust where the bottom and where the wipers go. So you gotta lift this up, pick it up, and then you slowly drop this in, and it should go all the way to the bottom, like that. So you need a 14 millimeter socket. You just put it on, and then you tighten it. Make sure you don't over tighten it because it could break. Go. That's done. Good to go. Wipers are working.